you tired of seeing your retention graph like this because you're having a hard time finding the right words to say in your script? Well, fear no more, because today's video is all about ChatGPT, an amazing AI tool that can take your writing skills to the next level. Whether you're a tutorial, gaming, or any other type of creator, ChatGPT can help you craft the perfect creative script. So sit back, relax, and allow me to show you how to use ChatGPT the right way to really make your content shine. So how does ChatGPT work? It's actually really simple. All you need to do is provide a few prompts to get started, and ChatGPT will take it from there. For example, let's say you're in the makeup tutorial niche and you want to do a video on smoky eye makeup look. To optimize your script with ChatGPT, you could provide the following prompts: makeup tutorial, smoky eye, beginners. With these prompts, ChatGPT will generate a script that not only covers the steps for creating the smoky eye look, but also caters to beginner makeup artists. You can even customize the tone and the style of your script by adding a few additional prompts, such as friendly and approachable, step-by-step instructions. This will ensure that your script is both informative and easy to follow, making it a hit with your audience.
That's great for a makeup channel, but how do you write an effective prompt in ChatGPT for any niche?
Yeah, and how do you make a prompt that gets you the very best script? Be sure to be specific and to the point with your prompts. Here are a few example words and phrases you can use for some of the most effective prompts with ChatGPT, depending on your niche. How do I know these are the best? Because I asked the program itself. For tutorial niches, how to, step-by-step, beginner, immediate, advanced, for a specific audience, tricks, tips, and techniques. If you're a review channel, review of, pros and cons, comparison to a similar product. If you're making a story-based video, a story about, a funny story, a heartwarming story, something that changed my life. For vlogs, a day in my life, behind the scenes, my specific activity routine, Q&A, and vlogging tips. For exercise-based niches, how to, benefits of, proper form, workout routine, and no equipment needed. For gaming channels, you have Let's Play, game name, first impressions, game name, review, pros and cons, game name, tips and tricks, game name, speed run tutorial. But the thing I'm most excited about ChatGPT goes back to when I made a movie review channel. One of the frustrating things I found is that I know how powerful stories are, but I was extremely frustrated because I never felt like I could incorporate them properly into my movie review channel. If you feel the same way, ChatGPT changes all of that. It can help you tell stories in niches that don't usually have storytelling, because no matter what your niche is, there's always room for a good story. Whether you're making a tutorial, a product review, or an exercise channel, ChatGPT can help you come up with a script that tells a compelling tale. For example, let's say you're making a video about how to do a very certain exercise. You might not think there's much room in that video for storytelling, but with ChatGPT, you can come up with a script that not only teaches your viewers how to do the exercise, but also tells a story about why it's important to stay active and healthy. Another way you can do this is take the prompts for those other niches and incorporate it into yours, and suddenly now you might have an exercise channel that is in a vlog style or is in a tutorial style. And by switching up the presentations, you stand out from everybody else because now your channel is more unique than everyone else's. Because we all know that if you can stand out in your niche, you might be able to fill a need from your target audience and they'll love you. And in order to stand out and really up your YouTube game, you need to check out this video right up here.